All of you can see some pet and domestic animals at home. For example, dog, cows, cats, buffaloes. These animals are called domestic animal, and sometimes you can see them fighting with each other for food or for area. And we give them food to eat, and sometimes they hunt their food for themselves. So today we are going to read a new chapter or a new poem, Two Little Kitten, and it's a fourth chapter of class 6, and name of this poem is Two Little Kitten, and name of a poet is not mentioned here, so we can say it is written by an anonymous poet. Now I'm going to read first stanza of this poem. Two little kittens one stormy night began to quarrel and then to fight. One had a mouse and another had none, and thus the way the quarrel began. Two little kittens were playing in a room at night, and it was a stormy night because snow was falling outside. Both the kittens started fighting with each other because the oldest cat had a mouse, but the little one had nothing to eat. So the quarrel or fight began for a mouse. Both of they wanted to get this mouse, so they started fighting for this mouse with each other. जैसे कि आप जानते हैं कि बिल्लियाँ साथ में भी रहती हैं और कभी कभार लड़ने भी लग जाती हैं, तो इस पोएम का और इस कविता का आरंभ होता है एक रूम में, और ये काफ़ी ठंडी रात है और बाहर जो है बर्फ़ गिर रही है। इसमें पहले तो दो बिल्लियाँ एक कमरे में खेल रही होती हैं, लेकिन सडनली वो लड़ने लग जाती हैं क्योंकि एक और बड़ी वाली बिल्ली के पास, ये दोनों बिल्ली के बच्चे हैं, और बड़ी वाले बच्चे के पास में जो है एक चूहा है और दूसरे के पास में कुछ नहीं है। सो दोनों ही उस चूहे को खाना चाहते हैं, इसलिए वो दोनों लड़ना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं। I'll have that mouse, said the eldest cat. You will have that mouse? We will see about that. I will have that mouse, said the eldest one. You shan't have that mouse, said the little one. The eldest cat said that it would eat that mouse. The youngest cat wanted to eat that mouse, and both of they started arguing with each other. The little one said the eldest cat, if it would have that mouse, means the little one did not want to let the eldest cat to eat that mouse. The eldest mouse again said that it would eat that mouse. The little one replied that it should not have that mouse, means the eldest should not eat the mouse. The eldest cat should not eat the mouse. So both of them started arguing with each other, and the youngest one wanted to eat that mouse, and the little one wanted to eat that mouse, and both of them started arguing for the mouse they catched. दोनों ही बिल्लियाँ चूहे के लिए लड़ने लग जाती हैं। बड़ी बिल्ली कहती है कि वह इसे खाएगी, और छोटी बिल्ली कहती है कि वह उसको खाएगी, और छोटी बिल्ली कहती है कि वह देखेगी कि वह उसे कैसे खाती है, और फिर से दोबारा जो है बड़ी बिल्ली इसी चीज़ को रिपीट करती है कि वह उस बिल्ली को, उस चूहे को खाएगी, और छोटी बिल्ली उससे पुनः कहती है कि वह उस चूहे को नहीं खा सकती है, और वह उसे देखेगी कि वह कैसे खाती है। I told you before it was a stormy night when these two little kittens began to fight. The old woman seized her sweeping broom and swept the two kittens right out of the room. So after argument, both the little kittens began to fight with each other for the mouse in a stormy night. When they were fighting, at the same time an old lady was sweeping in the room, and she stopped sweeping and threw them out of the room because they were disturbing her when she was sweeping. पहले दोनों बिल्ली में बहस होती है, उसके कुछ समय पश्चात दोनों आपस में लड़ने लग जाती हैं, और उस रात में वो जब लड़ती हैं तो एक ओल्ड लेडी उसी समय उस कमरे में झाड़ू लगा रही होती हैं, और उनकी फ़ाइट की वजह से उस ओल्ड लेडी को झाड़ू लगाने में और कमरे को साफ़ करने में प्रॉब्लम होती है, तो वह दोनों को उठा करके उस स्टॉर्मी नाइट में बाहर फेंक देती है, और अपने कार्य को जारी रखती है और अपना झाड़ू लगाना जारी रखती है। The ground was covered with frost and snow, and the two little kittens had nowhere to go. So they lay down on the mat at the door while the old lady finished sweeping the floor. Now both the kittens were outside because the old lady threw them out of the room. And when they went out, they saw that the ground was covered with frost and snow, and there was too cold outside. And it was not possible for both of them to go anywhere. So both of they lay down on the mat, and this mat was kept outside the door. And both of they were waiting for an old lady to let her complete her work, because she was sweeping the floor, and the kitten waited outside till the room was cleaned by the old lady. जब ओल्ड लेडी ने दोनों ही बिल्लियों को बाहर फेंक दिया था और वो कमरे को साफ कर रही थी, तो दोनों बिल्लियों ने बाहर देखा कि वहाँ बहुत अधिक बर्फ़ गिरी हुई थी, काफ़ी अधिक ठंडा हो रहा था और ज़मीन भी काफ़ी ठंडी थी। सो उन दोनों के लिए कहीं भी जाना संभव नहीं था। कहीं न जाने की संभावना को देखते हुए वो दोनों वहीं डोर के पास में एक मैट रखा हुआ था और उस मैट के ऊपर लेट जाते हैं, क्योंकि उनके पास और कोई विकल्प मौजूद नहीं था। और वे वहाँ इंतज़ार करते हैं कि जैसे ही वह ओल्ड लेडी अपना काम पूरा करे तो वे वापस अंदर जा सकें, इसलिए वे उसकी प्रतीक्षा कर रहे होते हैं। Then they crept in as quiet as mice, all wet with snow and cold as ice, for they found it was better that stormy night to lie down and sleep than to quarrel and fight. So as you know that both of they were waiting outside till the room was clean, and there was too cold outside, and both the kitten could not go anywhere. So they quickly came inside the room as quiet as a mouse, and both the kittens were wet with the snow, because snow was falling outside, and they were as cold as ice. It means both of them were feeling so cold outside. Both of them thought it was better to lie down and sleep than quarreling and fighting with each other, because there was too cold outside. They did not want to go outside again. फिर दोनों ही बिल्लियाँ उस ओल्ड लेडी के काम के पूरे होने की प्रतीक्षा कर रही थी और उनके लिए कहीं भी जाना संभव नहीं था। तो जैसे ही उस ओल्ड लेडी का काम ख़त्म होता है, वो एक चूहे की भांति चुपके चुपके से अंदर को आ जाते हैं और उस रूम में आ जाते हैं और वहाँ पर लेट जाते हैं आराम से। और वो दोनों ही काफ़ी गीले हो चुके थे और काफ़ी ठंडे भी हो चुके थे। वो इतने ठंडे हो गए थे जैसे कि बर्फ़ होती है, और उन दोनों ने सोचा कि वो लेट जाते हैं और सो जाते हैं, क्योंकि बाहर बहुत ठंडा था और ये काफ़ी बेहतर था उनके लिए लड़ने और झगड़ने से, क्योंकि अगर वो लड़ते और झगड़ते तो उन्हें फिर से बाहर फेंक दिया जाता। तो उन्होंने लेटना और सोने को ज़्यादा बेटर ऑप्शन समझा बाहर जाने से। We can learn many things from this poem, Two Little Kitten, but I'm going to discuss few points I have right now. First thing is that we should not fight with each other, and if we fight with each other, and we may be in trouble. And second thing, we should not disturb other. We should let them complete their work, and we may be trouble. The same thing happened with both the cats when they were fighting and they were disturbing the old lady. She threw them out of the room. So both of they were in trouble. And third thing is that we should change ourselves according to the condition. When both of they were in trouble, suddenly they changed their mind and they found, according to the condition, they found that it was better for them to sleep and lay down inside than fighting or quarreling for a mouse. So we should change according to the condition, and we should not fight with each other, and we should not disturb other, and we should let them work, or we should let them complete their work.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more updates.